Good day, everyone. Crypto University here. Today, I will teach you how to earn passive income using highest APY on the market with BNB pool. All right, let's go straight how to use it. First, open cyberpunk77.aavebot.com and connect your MetaMask wallet. After that, click Menu and click Pool Menu or Menu number 2. On Pool menu, there are Ethereum Pool and BNB Pool. Click the BNB Pool. It will redirect you to BNB Stacking Pool page. Click Approve and input deposit amount. Minimum is 1 BNB on MetaMask wallet. In my case, I will input 1 BNB. The more you deposit, the more profit you will earn. Check your BNB balance on MetaMask wallet first. After that, click Deposit. There will be confirmation on your MetaMask wallet. Click Confirm. Wait until it's success. APY, your BNB LP, deposit, and profit will change depends on your deposit amount, APY or annual percentage yield, which used to calculate interest income from money saved. LP or liquidity pool is a collection of tokens locked in smart contracts that provide liquidity in a decentralized exchange. The APY amount will be around more 3,447%. If in a year have 365 days, it means 3,447 divide 365 is 9.44. Then 9.44 times 1 is 9.44. 1 is the amount you deposit, and 9.44 plus 1 is 10.44. 1 is the amount of deposit you input. After that, click Withdraw and confirm it on your MetaMask wallet. Congratulations, with deposit only 1 BNB, you can earn 10.44 BNB. You can try it before the trick expired. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Our next video will show you how to earn passive income using highest APY on the market with Ethereum pool. Have fun and have a good day.